Hello there, juniors. Happy Snowday. I wanted to, in class today, talk to you about a short literary criticism research project that is due for Monday. So I wanted to explain the assignment and then give you some time today to start it so that we can talk on Friday, and I can help each one of you. So this is a wiki project for 30 points, and there are a couple different components. So number one, I'd like you to use the Bullis Library database to find an article of interest on Huckleberry Finn. So the Gale Literary Resource Guide is a good one. So this is the Literature Resource Center on Huckleberry Finn. And really I would just research based on Huck Finn a topic of interest. So some of the big ideas that we've been talking about in class is Jim as a stereotype, the relationship between Huck and Jim, the river as a symbol, Twain and his kind of satire of Southern society, Huck's moral development, but really I'd like for you to just pick something of interest to you. And then summarize that article, make sure you cite it and link it in the MLA format, and then eventually do a claim, show, and explain, from the novel that either supports that idea or refutes the critic's claim. And then I'll have you kind of share as a class aloud. So there's three parts, kind of finding an article, and I'm hoping each of you can kind of choose a different topic, summarize that one article, and then with the book, can you agree or disagree with what the critic says? So for today in the online Snowday, I'm just going to have you do some research in finding an article of interest, and we can talk more about it on Friday. In addition, you have some reading to do, hoping you can finish the book by Friday. So thanks for listening. Hope you get some time to relax, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Take care.